question about fire alarms. An undirected question about its directed instructions and what to do in case of emergency, and the undirected, unsaid knowledge that you ignore it on the day-to-day. We just want you to be happy is mostly undirected, left unsaid, obvious, but is an instruction when the options are questioned. In case of emergency, one should theoretically break the ice and reach out. Leave the burning wreck that made you and seek absolution. Unsaid knowledge states the safest place to be is anywhere but home. A fire alarm is not a poem. A fire alarm has but one interpretation. A fire alarm is a message telling you to abandon routine. A fire alarm harbors no agenda and does not know the meaning of safety. It is unsaid that one must one day return. That is not an instruction. It is expectation, not promise, and yours to control. I am not responsible for who you wish I could be. I have a question about fire alarms. Most people don't reread them every day, right? But I suppose pull means the same thing to everyone. Whilst we just want you to be happy only means something to you.